Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card with Canva updated. Open Canva and sign in or create a free account, then click Create a Design and select Custom Dimensions or a card template. Choose Orientation, add a background color or image, and pick fonts that match your message. Adjust spacing and alignment, then export as PNG or PDF for print or sharing. Start by selecting a template or blank canvas, then set your card dimensions and orientation. Pick a color palette and two fonts that work together, and place images with consistent margins. Use Canva's grid and snap features to align text and graphics precisely. Consider bleed and safe zone if printing, and preview at actual size before final tweaks to ensure everything looks balanced and clear. Personalize your card by editing text, swapping images, and applying filters or effects to match your style. Add icons, shapes, or frames to highlight key information, and use layers to control what appears in front. Double-check spelling and alignment, then choose export options: PNG for high-quality web use, or PDF with bleed settings for professional printing. Save editable copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.